In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply in Freshdesk, which is also known as an automatic acknowledgement for your customers. We'll also explore some advanced options if you're interested in more customization. Setting up an auto reply can be incredibly helpful, ensuring your customers feel heard and engaged from the moment they reach out. Let's begin by discussing how you can customize the default auto reply for new tickets. This is the notification that Freshdesk automatically sends your customers when they create a new ticket. Personalizing this message allows you to align it more closely with your brand's voice and provide any additional information you think might be helpful to your customers. First, you'll need to log into Freshdesk as an administrator. This role gives you the necessary permissions to make changes to settings and workflows in your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the admin section. From there, go to Workflows and then select Email Notifications. This is where you manage all the automated email interactions that go out to your stakeholders. Now, under the Requester Notifications tab, you'll see a variety of options. Find the one labeled New Ticket Created and click Edit next to it. This is where you'll specify the contents of the default notification that goes out when a customer opens a new ticket with your support team. Within this editing window, you can modify both the subject line and the message body of the email. Consider what information might be most useful for your customers to receive right off the bat. Maybe it's a note of acknowledgement that you're looking into their issue, a number where they can reach you if they're in a pinch, or a unique greeting that reflects your company's ethos. Whatever you choose, remember that this is your chance to make a positive first impression. Once you've customized the subject and message to your satisfaction, the next thing you'll want to do is click Save. This ensures that all the changes you've just made are applied and will be the new default going forward. Having a well-crafted auto-reply not only assures your customers that their queries are being addressed, but also sets accurate expectations on when they can expect a detailed response. Feel free to revisit and tweak these messages periodically as your business grows and evolves. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Freshdesk auto-replies set up and ready to go, creating a more seamless and engaging experience for your customers. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy customizing!